In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $25,124 US from my online business in March 2019. What's happening, everyone? My name is Greg Kononenko, and on this YouTube channel, I publish regular tutorials related to traffic generation, affiliate marketing, and making money online. Make sure to click the subscribe button just below this video to stay in touch with me and get notified about my next video as soon as I upload it. Let's get into the details. So here is a quick summary. In summary, I've made just over $25,000 US in March 2019. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'm going to show you a few different sources that I used to make this amount. Well, actually, I'm going to show you every single source that I used to make that amount. And that includes my so-called public sources, the sources that I reveal publicly. It actually excludes a couple of private websites, a couple of side projects that my wife mainly manages, and we're keeping them sort of out of the limelight. It also excludes some smaller sources that I'm making money from. It's just too kind of hard, to count and show you like every 20 and 50 and $100 that I made in March as well. And that excludes expenses as well. So I do have a couple of thousand a month in expenses, but I'm going to show you just the kind of the money generation, the income generation component. So first of all, I've made $250 Australian from SiteGround affiliate program. I'm here inside my SiteGround affiliate dashboard. I'm just going to refresh this. I'm going to bring up all of the sales from the 1st of March onwards. And as you can see, I've made $250 Australian for recommending SiteGround hosting to other people inside various pieces of content on YouTube and on my blog, as well as in my email follow-up series. SiteGround is a really good hosting company that I personally use myself and have used for the last 3 months. So I'm super happy to recommend it to everyone. And I place affiliate links to that program in various places. And I do make sort of several sales, anywhere from kind of like 5 to 10 sales per month with that program. The second income source is my affiliate commissions from ShareASale. I made $337 US, just over that, and 25 cents as well, from promoting 2 programs, primarily Tailwind and Namecheap. So now I'm here inside my ShareASale dashboard. I'm just going to filter for the date range from the 1st to the 31st of March. And as you can see, I've made $141 from lead generation and $196 from sales. So what I do is I place links to a couple of products within my videos and within my blog. And from when people click on those links and they sign up, I make the commission. It's pretty much as simple as that. For example, here is a blog post on my website that's called How to Drive Traffic to Your Blog Free and Fast. And in here, I talk about a few different methods to do that. This post has had a lot of shares on social media, and as you can see here, I've got an affiliate link that if someone clicks on it, it will take them to sign up to this tool that I use myself to get traffic from Pinterest called Tailwind. And if someone signs up for Tailwind, then I get a percentage of that sale. I get paid even for referring free members, but then, if they upgrade, then I get paid a commission for that as well. I insert those links into my videos, etc. as well. So that's primarily how I made these $337 US on ShareASale. In a nutshell, it's completely passive income from people clicking on links in content, which is really cool. So the next thing is my JVZoo affiliate earnings. I've made $767. I haven't really been focused on JVZoo now for a long time. I'm doing other things. But still, I'm making some passive residual commissions from having links to a couple of products in blog posts and other content as well. So I'm here inside my JVZoo dashboard. I'm just going to click refresh here now. And you will see that last month in March, I made $767.28. That's from sales of a few different products. So within my videos and within my content on my blog, I link to those products, and traffic comes, they click and they buy. That's basically how I'm doing it. If you guys want to learn affiliate marketing, there is actually a link in the description below. I highly recommend you check out. That's one of the best programs that I have seen in a long time. I'm a member of it as well. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing and you want to get started for free, then check out the link in the description just below this video. The next income source, which was quite a substantial one, was affiliate marketing by email. So I've done 3 email promotions to my email list. I've sent approximately 20 emails for that in total, and I made $6,726 from those affiliate promotions. They were for webinar-based products, so they were higher sales prices of over $500, and that's quite a good result. Actually, this does not also include some of the rebills because some of these payments were split payments where people are paying it off, over 3 months. This is just the amount that I got up front. I'm going to show you here in just a second. Okay, so here we go. This was one of the promotions that I've done. I'm just going to refresh the page here. Okay, as you can now see, these are all of the different sales that I've made, and the total for that was $9,361. There's been one refund of $997. So my total net was $8,361. There are actually rebills, so some people, as you can see, have paid $397. For example, my commission for that was $198, but there are 2 more payments to come of that. So I will make money the following month and the following month, etc. But just to keep it simple, let's talk about just this amount. So $4,182 was the commission. We did this promotion jointly with my partner, so my share of that is actually $2,000. This is another promotion that I did. It was done on Infusionsoft, so it's like a private promotion from one of our partners. I'm just going to choose here from the 1st of March to the 31st of March. Click set, and as you can see, we made $6,000 net commissions in that range. Once again, this was a split promotion, joint promotion with my partner, so we'll go half-half. So I made just over $3,000 here for this webinar. And lastly, this is the promotion that I've just finished with my email list. So I'm just going to refresh that, and you will see the amount that I've made here as well. So as you can see here, the total is $1,593. There are some split payments, so I will continue getting paid next month as well. But just for simplicity, let's call it $1,593. Email marketing, as you can see, is really, really powerful. I've only just done 3 promotions this month, and I've made, if I count all of the subsequent, payments, I've made probably close to about $10,000 from those 3 affiliate promotions. All you do is just send emails. To do that, I really highly recommend that you start building your email list as early as possible in your online marketing career. The way that I personally build email list, I'm going to show you in just a second. I put opt-in forms everywhere. So on my blog posts, you will find that at the bottom, I always talk about my free traffic course. Okay, and I put a link for people to opt in and get my free traffic course, and then they go and join my autoresponder, and I can send them emails with various content, some useful content and some content that's promotional. I only, of course, promote products that I firmly believe will help the people, but here I just want to kind of demonstrate to you the power of email marketing. The other way that I collect email opt-ins is by, when I create content for YouTube, I also put in an opt-in link at the bottom. So here, get my free traffic course. That will actually take anyone who clicks onto this page where they can sign up for the free traffic course. And once again, this is how I build my email list. I've currently got a list of about 25,000 email subscribers, and I'm able to email them with various promotions. So I really highly recommend that you look into email marketing. If you're not doing it yet, just try to start building this list as early as possible. I hesitated for like probably 5-7 years or something like that to build an email list. I was trying to make money from just traffic coming onto my website and then clicking the links there, and that was a big mistake really, because I missed out on probably hundreds of thousands in dollars that I could have made if I was building the email list. So highly recommend that you start doing that as early as possible in your online marketing career. My next income source is YouTube ads. So as you know, I've got a YouTube channel. By the way, I'm about to hit 30,000 subscribers, which is really cool. And I've made $2,141 from YouTube ads in March. This is my YouTube channel. I've got 29,271 subscribers. So in a few days, I'm going to hit 30,000 subscribers, which is going to be awesome. And here is my dashboard for March. As you can see here, my views have actually been declining simply because I haven't been putting out a lot of content. I still get quite a lot of views on a daily basis. So I'll get about 4 to 5,000 views on a daily basis, even though I haven't really been putting out a lot of videos. And my revenue, as you can see here, is $2,141 for the month of March. It's actually going to be a little bit higher because the last couple of days haven't processed yet. But anyway, let's call it $2,140 that I made just from YouTube ads. So when someone comes and watches one of my videos, YouTube shows them ads at the start or in the middle of the video. So it's completely passive. Even on the days when I don't do anything, as you can see, I make kind of, $50, $70, $80, $100 and so on, which is really cool because YouTube gives me opportunity to build my email list as well as make money from the revenue. So I can grow my audience, I can grow my subscribers, and I can grow my email subscribers all at the same time. So highly recommend that you start using YouTube if you're not using it yet. This is my dashboard, and you can see that in March I only posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. So just 5 videos. My goal is actually to produce about 15 videos a month. So I was well behind in that goal because I was busy on other projects. But even with 5 videos a month, it's possible to make some really good money on YouTube. It was still my best month, my record month with YouTube in terms of ads revenue. I'm looking to beat that in April. Let's see how I go at the end of April. My next income source was Zaxaa sales. I've made about $1,355 in profits from Zaxaa by selling a product that we sold recurring subscription package a little while ago, and it's been going for over a year, which is really good. It's completely passive. So I'm here inside my Zaxaa account, and I'm just going to insert the dates, as you can see, from March till the end of March. And now let's run the report. And as you can see here, I made revenue of $4,360. There were some affiliate payments that we had to pay out, and basically the profit is $2,711. This is half with my partner, so my share of this is approximately $1,355, which is really cool because this is for a software product that, like I said, we created a while ago, and it's just continually bringing in passive sales and passive commissions as well. The next one, and actually the biggest contributor to my monthly profits this month, is our sales through ThriveCart. So we've created a new software. It's called Growth Commander. It's selling really well. It helps bloggers and affiliate marketers and pretty much anyone who needs traffic to research and produce content really fast and get traffic onto that content. If you guys want details of that software, you can just check the link in the description below. It's called Growth Commander. But this is the second month of us selling this software. It's been, going phenomenally well, above expectations. We are building this into a big business. We're sort of looking to offer this service to as many bloggers as possible because the software is really useful. So I'm here inside my ThriveCart account. I'm just going to refresh the page here. I'm going to choose last month and hit search. And as you can see, we made gross revenue of $47,000. Then we did have some refunds. They look a little bit high because there were some test purchases in there as well. We paid out some commissions to our affiliates, and basically we've ended up with net revenue of $27,224. So my share of those sales, of those profits rather, is $13,600. It's a really good start. I'm really excited to see where the Growth Commander software actually takes us. Like I was saying, if you guys want to check out, the link is just in the description below if you want to see what the software does and so forth. My last source of income for the month of March that I want to show you guys in this video is Wealthy Affiliate. I made $198 this month with Wealthy Affiliate. It is a new revenue stream that I'm building. I've only been doing this for about 2 weeks now. So I'm here inside my Wealthy Affiliate dashboard. I'm just going to refresh this so that you can see it. So it says that today I've earned 28, yesterday I earned 24, revenue this month. So it's still the month of March in the US time, the time that this dashboard runs on. So $198 this month. Okay, now the way that Wealthy Affiliate works, this is actually, I really love this platform. It offers some free training and anyone can join as a free member. If you guys want, just check the link in the description below. It allows you to earn money 2 ways, all right? Firstly, as, just using the training in here. So training is very solid. It shows you how to build a website, how to drive traffic to that website, how to make money as an affiliate. And you can learn the first 10 modules you can actually learn as a free member, which is really cool. So you can obviously implement this training and then you can make money this way. There are hundreds, probably thousands of success stories in here because there is a forum type community where people are sharing and helping each other get there. The second way to make money with it is by promoting Wealthy Affiliate. So I recommend Wealthy Affiliate to others. They sign on as free members, and then a lot of them end up upgrading to premium members. And for premium members, I get a certain amount of commission. So for example, I am a premium member myself, and when others upgrade to premium membership, then I make $23.50 in monthly recurring. Okay, if someone gets a yearly membership, then I get $175. So that's a good way to build recurring income because you do get paid this year after year or month after month. Now, in terms of my stats, as you can see, it says that I've earned that much, okay? But if you go back into the details, you will see that you earn over 100. So currently it's 121 per premium sign up, as they, because if someone signs up for a monthly plan, they will continue paying month after month. So on average, the value is over $100 lifetime commissions per premium member. Now, I've referred so far 16 premium members. Okay, so I can kind of look at it as I've made about $1,600, maybe $2,000 from that in the month. But I'm just gonna, for the purpose of this calculation, I'm just gonna say what I'm actually likely to bank, which is $198 this month. Just out of interest, here are the stats. So as you can see, for all time, okay, so this month and then all time. So for all time, I've had, if you add all of these up, these are the referrals. So these are like free plan signups. About 300 people have joined through my links. Out of them, sales, so that's people who have upgraded, I've had 16 premium sales. Okay, so it's going really, really well. I actually really love Wealthy Affiliates, the training that they provide, as well as this kind of opportunity to promote their program. So if you guys want to check it out, obviously more than welcome to it. The link is just in the description. I've also made a detailed review video showing how I'm doing this and how it all works. The link to that is in the description below as well. That's it. That's exactly how I've made $25,124 US in March 2019. And as I was saying, I've made a bit more. I just don't want to show some of my private websites and some of the small affiliate promos. I wasn't sure if I should actually make this video because, I don't mean to make this as I'm showing off how much money I'm making. And by the way, in Australia where I live, unfortunately, it's not even that much money because life here is very, very expensive. We still have a mortgage because we've got a family, we're helping out our parents overseas. The reason why I wanted to make this video, the real reason is to just show others that this is actually possible, okay? You can actually make money online. I showed you the real things, and I just want you to know that this online thing really, really does work. My income has been growing steadily month after month. I'm seeing that there is potential, and I hope that this motivates you to be dedicating more of your time, just put in the effort and actually make this online business work, because it is a real thing. And that's the true reason why I wanted to make this video, to show you that this is actually completely real and completely reliable. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel just below this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well on the video, and make sure to tick the bell notification icon so that you get notified in real time as soon as I upload my new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.